Assalamu alaikum. I see you my YouTube channel. Maria and her mummy. Maria, mummy. Mummy, yes, Maria. Maria, there are 10 fingers on my hands, aren't they? Mummy, yes, they are 10 lovely little fingers. Maria, my brother's name is Kashif, isn't it? Mummy, yes, it is. He's at school at the moment. Maria, and Daddy went to work this morning, didn't he? Mummy, yes, he did. He went there in his car. Maria, we don't house files, do we, Mummy? No, we don't not. Maria, I like biscuit, don't eat. Mummy, yes, you do. Maria, the zoo is a good place, is not it? Mummy, yes, it is. We shall go to the zoo on Sunday. Maria, Aunt isn't going to the zoo with us, is he? Mummy, no, he is not. He is busy at home. Maria, instead of writing a person name in full, we write only the first letter in capital following by the full stop. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Tahir Shah, T. Shah, Tariq Masood Shah, T.M. Sain, Word, Dr. Short Forms, Dr. Road, R.D. Mr. M.R. Number N.O. Street, S.T. Action, doer, cycle, cyclist, bigger, creator, climb, climber, traveler, student, actor, decorate. Look and read. Rubina says I like birds. Rubina says that she likes birds. Anwar and Amjad say we can run. Anwar and Amjad say that they can run. Noreen says to me, you wear a blue shirt. Noreen says to me that I wear a blue shirt. Salma says she can play hockey. Salma says that she can play hockey. Burkhardt says he can swim. Burkhardt says that he can swim. Puffles say they read books. Puffle said that they read books.